Today I'm going to try to start putting down my insulation in this big wall here. But first, I don't know if you can see it, how dull these scissors are. First, I'm going to sharpen them. So it's been a while since I posted. My project has advanced, of course. I wonder if many of you know how to sharpen scissors properly. Simple, but if it's not done right, you won't sharpen. So, I don't know how good it is to just see someone do it and not tell you anything, but a file works really well. Anyway, so I just wanted to say hi, Jason. Your mother told me that you recently lost 2 of your last baby teeth. I think you must have run out of them by now, right? Those 2 must have been the last. I remember when I was losing my last baby teeth. I didn't realize when it was the last one myself. Here we go. Think you'll be sharpening scissors someday? It doesn't take all that much skill. Basically, you just gotta remember, scissors don't have a knife edge. They're like chisels. I don't know if you can see. Chisel has a flat cutting edge right here, and simply put an angle like that. Scissors are made to cut the same. It's flat on this side and angled right here. So basically, what I mean to say is, when you sharpen scissors, you never sharpen like this on this side, or you'll make it dull. It won't cut. Of course, anyone watching this may find me ridiculously obvious. Out here, I'm the one that found how to sharpen the different cutting edges on all our different tools. No one in my family knew how. They only knew the knife edge, not the chisel or scissor edge. Man! After I cut my hand. No. To cut the insulation. I don't know if you're getting a good view here. Hopefully. Alright, how long to cut? First section will go up here, so about 45 inches or 46. I should have sharpened the scissors even better. This is embarrassing. Cutting but so slow. Of course, it's many layers of plastic. moi, ils sont chauffeurs. No, I've never done this much, so I'm kind of a novice at it. A little bit too much trash lying around. So, white here is about 4 feet. There. These pieces be just the right length, and the too long. I should have made it a little bit longer, which is what I'll do next time. There it is. No, 26. About. I'll just have to compress it a little, but I'll do that later. Okay. That. Really? Still not wide enough. Some sunny day, so take your time, don't be too fast, troubles will come, and they will pass, find a one, you'll find love, don't forget, it's someone up above. Be a simple kind of man who will do good if you can. Get your love, rich man's gold. That you need is in your soul. All I need is about 4 inches more. That's it. 4 inches more is all. Et son chauffeur, while you pay la première place, et après, je passe. one, so I'll be sure to make it a little bit longer.